Hello and welcome, my friends. In today's video, we explore the profound beauty and power of solitude for those on a spiritual journey. Being alone doesn't mean being lonely. It's a sacred opportunity to connect deeply with your true self, the divine, and your innermost dreams. Solitude offers the chance to reflect, heal past wounds, and shed societal expectations, allowing you to embrace your authentic self. This transformative journey helps you reclaim your energy, set boundaries with toxic influences, and nurture self-love. You emerge stronger, ready to manifest your highest desires and inspire others with your wisdom. Remember, this path is not about isolation, but discovering your immense inner power and the boundless love within you. If you've made it this far, leave a comment saying, "I am empowered by solitude to discover my true self and manifest my highest desires." Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to spread the message. Let's walk this journey together, Star. The world around you may not understand why you choose to walk this path alone. People might question your decision, thinking that you are distancing yourself from society. However, it's essential to recognize that this solitude is not about escaping the world. Instead, it's about diving deep into the core of your existence. It's a time for introspection, for listening to the whispers of your soul, and for discovering the true essence of who you are. Through this process of self-reflection, you undergo a significant transformation. When you emerge from this period of solitude, you will shine with a new light, ready to inspire and uplift others with the wisdom and insights you have learned. If you ever feel alone on your spiritual journey, it is important to understand that you haven't done anything wrong, nor are you missing out on anything. This period of being alone is crucial for your spiritual growth and development. It is during these moments of solitude that you encounter the essence of your being. You get to hear the echoes of your deepest longings and the unspoken dreams that reside within your heart. This is a time to connect with your true self and to understand your deepest desires and aspirations. Being alone compels you to embark on an inner journey. The most important endeavor in life is becoming aware of your internal landscape, because that's where everything originates. Your thoughts, beliefs, and emotions all stem from within. When you are alone, you are forced to seek answers to your problems independently. This can be a painful and challenging process as you navigate and release past traumas, constantly working to shift your thought patterns and heal old wounds. However, it is through this process that you grow and evolve. As a chosen one, you have a vision of your desired future, and the universe is aware of the depth of your longing for it. Therefore, you've been guided into this period of isolation to delve deep within yourself. It's important to understand that certain experiences and challenges must occur to shape you into the person you aspire to be. A brand new life necessitates a new environment, a new mindset, new belief systems, and a fresh perspective on life. Everything around you and within you must change to align with your deepest desires and aspirations. During your spiritual journey as a chosen one, the beliefs you hold and the way you perceive the world play a significant role. Many of your current beliefs and perceptions might not align with your true desires because they have been shaped by society, friends, and family. This influence can lead you away from your authentic self. Being isolated as a chosen one allows you to become aware of these influences and question why you think the way you do. You were never meant to conform to the expectations of others. You are a natural leader. However, this realization might have been suppressed during your upbringing. Now, as a chosen one, you stand alone, and this solitude offers you the chance to reflect and recognize your true nature. Isolation provides you with the opportunity to change everything, to start fresh with a new way of thinking. It is difficult to achieve this transformation when you are constantly surrounded by others who influence your thoughts and actions. Moreover, in the solitude of your spiritual journey, you learn the art of self-love. You come to realize that true love begins within yourself and radiates outwards, touching every aspect of your existence. You nurture your own soul, tending to its needs with compassion and kindness. As a chosen one, you fill your own cup, becoming a vessel of love, overflowing with the capacity to uplift and inspire others. Also, being alone on this spiritual journey empowers you to reclaim and embody your spiritual energy. Many of us unknowingly give away our energy to toxic individuals who drain us and make us feel unworthy. These individuals unconsciously sap our life force. Through isolation, you will learn how to reclaim your energy and establish boundaries with toxic relationships, whether they are with friends, romantic partners, or even family. Many spiritually inclined individuals grew up feeling the need to give away their energy to gain acceptance. They became people pleasers and developed a heightened sensitivity to others' energies, turning into empaths. However, once you retrieve your energy and learn to maintain it regardless of external circumstances, you will become incredibly powerful. Furthermore, in the depths of being alone, you learn to be comfortable in your own skin. As a chosen one, this solitude allows you to shed the masks and personas you wear for the world, embracing your true authentic self. In this space, there is no need to conform or seek validation from others. You are free to express yourself without fear of judgment. This liberation is powerful. It transforms you into a beacon of light, inspiring others to embrace their own uniqueness. Walking this chosen path alone signifies that you are destined for something greater. Understand that some individuals may live their entire lives without ever tapping into their true spiritual gifts. The pain you endure and the healing you undergo on this journey are significant but necessary. In the end, the challenges you face and overcome will prove to be worthwhile. Many people will not attain the depth of wisdom that you possess. They may not experience the present moment fully, feel the love emanating from the universe, or manifest their desires as you will. Eventually, you will experience profound emotions that all humans yearn for: unconditional love and liberation from pain. This journey of solitude and self-discovery leads you to a place of deep inner peace and fulfillment. You become attuned to the subtle energies of the universe, able to feel its love and support in every aspect of your life. Be grateful for the opportunity to undergo a spiritual awakening in this lifetime. Your life is about to become truly extraordinary. As a chosen one, you are on the cusp of realizing just how close you are to achieving your deepest desires. The universe and the divine are on your side, supporting you every step of the way. Trust in this process and know that you have everything you need within you to succeed. You're alone on this journey to help you understand that you are never truly alone. Yes, you may lack physical companionship, but you will no longer feel lonely. There is a special connection you already have, or will soon discover, that will transform your life. Remember, this spiritual journey deepens your connection with the divine, with God, and with your true self. You will come to realize that you don't need anyone else on earth to feel complete. You won't seek external sources for the feelings you once desired from others. Love will emanate from within you because you are love. You won't seek validation because you will validate yourself. You won't require anything external to find happiness. Every emotion and feeling you seek will be discovered within yourself. You will realize the immense power that resides within you when standing alone. You will become aware of your role as a creator and a master of manifestation. All this profound knowledge reveals itself to you during times of solitude. During the darkest moments of your life, my dear friends, as you take on your spiritual journey, remember that being alone is not a path of loneliness, but a pilgrimage of self-discovery and growth. Embrace the transformative power of being alone and honor the divine wisdom that unfolds within the sanctuary of your soul. It is within this sacred space that you shall find the true essence of your being, the light that guides your way, and the boundless love that dwells within. I hope you enjoyed watching my video. If you're still with me, please leave a comment saying, "I am empowered by solitude to discover my true self, reclaim my spiritual energy, and manifest my highest desires with the divine's guidance." If you comment this affirmation, I'll give your comment a heart. As always, wishing you a beautiful day.